everyone, welcome back. If the Barclays app opens but only shows a blank or white screen, this usually means the app is failing to load data properly. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for your app, then swipe it away to close it completely, wait for a few while, then reopen it. Then you're going to check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connection problems. Then restart your phone to clear background issues. Make sure that the Barclays app is updated to the latest version in your app store. Open your app store and check whether you have updated your app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, on Android devices, clearing the app's cache can help fix loading problems. If the blank screen continues, long press on the Barclays app icon, remove app, delete app. Then head over to your app store, search for the app and make sure to reinstall the app again after reinstalling it. Then log in again and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.